Have you ever stopped to think about how amazing your brain is? It's the command center of your entire body. Your brain controls everything you do, from breathing to solving complex math problems. It's responsible for your thoughts, emotions, memories, and movements. Imagine a powerful computer, constantly processing information and sending out instructions. That's your brain. It receives information from the world around you through your senses. Sight, sound, touch, taste, smell. Your brain processes it all. But the brain is more than just a processing machine. It allows you to experience the world, learn, create, and dream. It's what makes you, you. In this journey, we will explore the fascinating world of the human brain. Get ready to be amazed. Let's start with the biggest and most noticeable part of the brain, the cerebrum. This is the part that most people think of when they picture the brain. It's that wrinkly grey mass that sits on top, often described as looking like a walnut due to its many folds and grooves. Don't let its appearance fool you. The cerebrum is the brain's CEO, responsible for all the high-level thinking, decision-making, and complex problem-solving that we do every day. The cerebrum is divided into two halves called hemispheres. These hemispheres work together but also have specialized functions. The left hemisphere controls the right side of the body and is typically associated with logic, language, and analytical thinking. It's the side we often rely on for tasks like math and science. The right hemisphere controls the left side of your body and is more involved in creativity, spatial awareness, and recognizing faces. This side is key for artistic endeavors and understanding spatial relationships. Each hemisphere is further divided into four lobes: frontal, parietal, temporal, and occipital. These lobes are like specialized departments within the brain's CEO office. These lobes have specialized functions, each contributing to different aspects of our behavior and abilities. For instance, the frontal lobe is responsible for planning, decision-making, and personality. It's the part of the brain that helps us set goals and follow through with them. The parietal lobe processes sensory information, like touch and temperature. It helps us navigate our environment and understand physical sensations. While the cerebrum takes center stage, handling complex thoughts, decision-making, and voluntary actions, other essential parts of the brain work tirelessly behind the scenes to ensure everything runs smoothly. The cerebellum, located at the back of the brain, is responsible for balance, coordination, and smooth movements. It fine-tunes motor activity, making sure your actions are precise and controlled. Think about riding a bike or playing a musical instrument. These activities require not just skill, but also precise timing and coordination, all thanks to your cerebellum. It ensures that your movements are not just accurate, but also fluid and seamless. It's like the brain's skilled athlete, ensuring your movements are graceful and fluid, whether you're dancing, running, or simply walking. Then there's the brainstem, connecting the cerebrum and cerebellum to the spinal cord. This crucial part of the brain acts as a relay station, transmitting signals between the brain and the rest of the body. It's responsible for all the automatic functions that keep you alive, like breathing, heart rate, and sleep cycles. Without the brainstem, these vital processes would not function properly. The brainstem acts like the brain's dedicated support staff, ensuring all the essential systems run smoothly without you even having to think about it. It works tirelessly, day and night, to keep you alive and well. So, how does information travel through this amazing organ, the brain, which is the control center of our body? Meet the neuron, the basic unit of the nervous system, a tiny yet powerful cell. Your brain has billions of these tiny cells, all working together in a complex network to process information, make decisions, and control actions. Neurons communicate with each other through electrical and chemical signals, creating a dynamic and intricate communication system. Imagine a relay race where runners pass a baton to each other. This is a great analogy for how neurons pass information. That's similar to how neurons transmit information, passing signals from one to another with incredible precision. When a neuron receives a signal, it travels down a long fiber called an axon, which acts like a highway for the signal. At the end of the axon, the signal triggers the release of chemical messengers called neurotransmitters, which are crucial for communication. These neurotransmitters cross a tiny gap called a synapse and bind to receptors on the next neuron, passing the message along seamlessly. This process happens incredibly fast, in mere milliseconds, allowing you to think, react, and experience the world in real time. It's like a high-speed internet network, constantly buzzing with activity, ensuring that every thought, movement, and sensation is processed instantly.